Hi, my name is Jeff Morris. My partner is Alain Fotso, and this is a quick demo of our curtain moving timer. So our device utilizes an OLED display to display the current time and the menu options for whenever the user is changing their settings, and it has 3 buttons equipped. You're going to have an up button, a down button, and also a menu and select button. And I'll go over the functions of those buttons in just a moment. So the concept behind our device is that the user would be able to set times for which you can open and close a set of curtains. So you would sit this device onto a curtain rod and it would move using a stepper motor at specified times to push a curtain open or push it closed again. All right, so let's go over some of the functions. So on the main screen, you see it shows the current time. It shows the times that the user has set to move the curtain to the right and to the left. And it also shows the length of the curtain rod that the user can configure. So that length can be set from anywhere between 1 inch to basically 200 inches. So you have quite a bit of range for different sized curtain rods. All right, so if we go to the settings menu, some of your options, you can set that rod length and you can set the right and left move times. So let's go over setting the rod length first. So it says set the curtain rod length in inches, use up and down. So right now we have it set to 60 inches. We can adjust that to, let's say we got a 10-foot curtain rod. So we'll do 120 inches. We can save that. And now back on that home screen, you can see that the length reflects that we changed it to 120 inches. And now let's look at changing some of the times. So on the menu screen, you can go to set the right move time. And we can change that to, let's say, moving to the right is going to open the curtains. So we want to open these curtains at, let's say, 6:30 a.m. So set the hour to 6. We can set our minute to 6:30. And now our right time is saved. And that is reflected on the home screen as well. And now let's set the left move time. So right now it's set to 7 p.m. Let's change that to, let's say we want to have it close at, let's say 5:45 p.m. So 5, these numbers loop, so you can go all the way down to 0 and loop back up to 59 and so forth. So let's say 5:45. Okay, and now you can see that our times are set for 6:30 and 5:45. Now, one of the issues we ran into originally was I wanted to use a Zhao microcontroller, but I realized when I was configuring that it didn't have EEPROM storage. So we had to rework that. And the reason why I wanted to do this was because I wanted this device to be battery operated. But if the user was going to change their batteries, I didn't want to have them configure their settings every time it lost power. So we wanted to use EEPROM storage to save those settings. So let me demonstrate that now. So right now you can see that it is set to 6:30 a.m., 5:45 p.m., and 120 inches. So we'll turn this off. So now you can see it is powered down. Power this back up. And after it boots up, it's going to pull the saved values out of EEPROM and load them in those variables again, and you'll see that all the settings are still there.